Hi kids, my name is Kelly, and today we're going to do a beginner piano lesson. We're going to cover three things: how to find letters or notes on the piano, how our fingers have numbers, and then we'll learn one beginner song that I wrote. Okay, so in the first part of this lesson, what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to find letters or notes on the piano. Now, if we take a look at the piano, we'll see that we have a lot of keys, 88 keys to be precise, and my video is a little bit cropped here so you don't see all 88. Something that's very helpful is to understand that the black keys have a pattern to them, and that will really help us to figure out the layout of the keyboard. The pattern goes like this. There are 2 black keys, and then 3, and then 2, and then 3, and then 2, 3, 2, 3, and so on. You can also play this pattern by doing 2 fingers, 3 fingers, 2 fingers, 3 fingers. You can also do that with your right hand as well, working down. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Also, something noteworthy is that from left to right, we go low to high. So if you play down here, these are lower sounding notes and they get higher as you go to the right, like that. Now that we know that there's a pattern with the black keys, the next thing we need to do is to figure out where the note C is. C is right before 2 black keys, okay? So if we have the 2 black keys, right to the left of those will be the white key C. This applies to all of the group of 2 black keys. So here, 2 black keys, right to the left, there's another C. Up here, 2 black keys, C. And down here, 2 black keys, C, 2 black keys, C. There's a very specific C called middle C. It's right in the middle of the piano. Sounds like this. See if you can find that on your keyboard. I have this handy little note chart that I printed to help my students to figure out the letters on the piano. The notes on the keyboard go like this from C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. I can also slide this down here so I can get some of the bass notes. The next thing we're going to talk about is how our fingers have numbers. Our thumbs are 1, pointer fingers 2, middle fingers 3, ring fingers 4, pinkies 5. If you want to do a little exercise, you can put your first finger of your right hand, which is your thumb, on middle C, and you can play each of the keys that fall under our fingers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we did the same thing with our left hand, if I just remove my right hand and put my thumb here on middle C, now it looks almost like a mirror image of what our right hand was playing, except now we go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I kind of curl my fingers a little bit like this so that I'm using more of the tip of the finger instead of keeping my fingers extended like this. It's okay if you can't do that curl thing yet. That'll come in time. Now I'm going to teach you how to play a beginner song that I teach my students on their first lesson. This song is called Meteor Shower. To play Meteor Shower, what we're first going to do is we're going to put our right hand thumb on middle C so that we're in this position. Our right hand is going to cover the notes C, D, and E. Here are the notes for the right hand. E, C, D, E, C, D, E, C, D. That would be fingers 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That's actually the part for the entire song, so we don't need to learn any more for the right hand. If you want to practice that again, though, feel free. To play the left hand of Meteor Shower, we're going to take our thumb and place it on a lower C down here. Our thumb's going to cover these notes down here. C, B, A, G, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The left hand part goes like this. C, C, A, F, F, G, G. Numbers, that would be 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 4, 4. We're going to play the two hands together now. If you can't play with two hands, that's totally fine. Just play the right hand part. Our right hand is going to play E, C, D, and our left hand is just going to play C right at the beginning and hold. So we'll go E, C, D, E, C, D. Next, we're going to play an A in the left hand, but the right hand is going to play the same pattern. E, C, D, E, C, D. Now the left hand will go to an F. E, C, D. And then lastly, the left hand will go to a G. E, C, D, E, C, D. Let's try that again. C, C, A, F, F, G, G. A little bit faster. C, C, A, F, F, G, G. Thanks for hanging with me today, guys. If this lesson was helpful for you, please hit that like button, and I'll see you again next time.